The 2026 Dacia Dokker Camper van represents a refreshing return of a practical, no-nonsense vehicle tailored for budget, conscious adventurers seeking reliable van life without excessive costs. Revived and updated for the modern era, this compact camper builds on Dacia's reputation for value-driven design, offering a straightforward yet capable platform for weekend escapes, road trips, and light off-road exploration. Its resurgence addresses a growing demand for affordable, easy-to-maneuver alternatives to larger, pricier motorhomes, making it particularly appealing in markets where simplicity and economy matter most. Externally, the 2026 model features a rugged yet approachable aesthetic with updated styling cues that include a bolder grille, slim LED headlights, and protective cladding suited to occasional rough terrain. The compact dimensions, roughly around 4.5 meters in length, ensure it remains nimble in urban settings and easy to park in tight campsites, while the higher ground clearance and optional all-wheel drive variants enhance its versatility for those venturing beyond paved roads. This size strikes an ideal balance, avoiding the intimidation factor of bigger vans while still providing enough space for meaningful camper conversions. Inside the camper configuration, the layout prioritizes smart functionality over luxury, with a clever modular setup that includes a rear convertible bed platform capable of sleeping 2 adults comfortably. Storage solutions are abundant, thanks to clever use of the high roof and side panels, incorporating overhead cabinets, underbed drawers, and multipurpose compartments that maximize every inch. The conversion maintains a clean, open feel during the day, allowing easy transition from daily driver to overnight accommodation without feeling cramped. A compact yet practical kitchenette forms a core part of the appeal, typically featuring a portable stove, small sink with fresh water tank, and a compact fridge that runs efficiently on 12V power or hookup. These elements are designed for quick meals and basic self-sufficiency, ideal for solo travelers, couples, or small families who prioritize simplicity over gourmet cooking facilities. Ventilation is handled through roof fans and opening windows, ensuring decent airflow even when parked in warmer climates. Performance comes from efficient engine options, including refined petrol and diesel units that deliver respectable fuel economy, often in the range of low 40s mpg on highways, making long-distance travel economical. The driving dynamics impress with light steering, good visibility, and a suspension tuned for comfort over uneven surfaces rather than sporty handling. Many reviewers note a secure, go-kart-like feel that inspires confidence, especially on winding roads or when fully loaded with camping gear. Comfort levels exceed expectations for the price point, with supportive seats up front and adequate insulation that keeps the interior quiet and temperature stable during overnight stays. Basic but effective heating systems, often supplemented by optional diesel heaters, handle cooler nights well, while the overall ride quality remains composed even on longer journeys. For those spending extended time aboard, the Dokker avoids the fatigue associated with larger, less maneuverable vehicles. Safety features have been modernized for 2026, incorporating essentials like electronic stability control, multiple airbags, hill start assist, and rear parking sensors as standard in most trims. Higher specifications may add adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aids, and emergency braking, providing reassurance without inflating the cost. These updates align with contemporary expectations while preserving Dacia's focus on accessible technology. Practicality shines through in everyday usability, as the van doubles effectively as a daily driver with removable camper elements that allow quick reconfiguration. Sliding side doors facilitate easy access for loading gear, and the large rear opening simplifies setup at campsites. Fuel efficiency, low maintenance demands, and widespread parts availability further enhance its appeal for frequent users who want minimal downtime. One of the standout aspects is its budget-friendly positioning, with base camper conversions starting significantly lower than competitors, often estimated in the mid-20, €0 to low 30, €euros, depending on region and options. This accessibility democratizes van life, attracting newcomers wary of high entry costs while still delivering genuine adventure capability. Real-world owners praise its reliability and low running expenses, reinforcing its value proposition. Drawbacks exist, as with any economical vehicle. Interior materials lean toward durable plastics rather than premium finishes, and some features like advanced infotainment may feel basic compared to luxury brands. Noise insulation is adequate but not class, leading at higher speeds, and payload capacity requires careful planning to avoid overloading when fully equipped. These trade-offs are intentional, keeping the focus on function and affordability. Overall, the 2026 Dacia Dokker Camper van excels as an honest, purpose-built option that redefines accessible adventure travel. It proves that meaningful freedom on the road doesn't demand extravagance, offering a compelling mix of compactness, efficiency, and clever design for those embracing minimalist van life. For budget travelers, weekend warriors, or anyone seeking a reliable escape vehicle, it stands out as a smart, satisfying choice in a crowded market. In summary, this revived Dokker camper captures the essence of practical exploration, blending Dacia's core philosophy of value with modern refinements to deliver an enjoyable, low-stress ownership experience that encourages more people to hit the road and enjoy the journey without financial strain.